Hi, it's Denise with Ladybug Stampin', and today I'm going to talk a little bit about what I will be making during Vlogtober. I decided to go ahead and make this video real quick. It's going to be a quick one, but I kind of wanted to show you some things that I'll be creating packages for during the month of October, getting ready for Christmas. And I wanted to share with you guys in case you guys wanted to play along, because I know sometimes when I'm watching videos and I go, oh, where'd they get that? Oh man, I want that. I want that. But then you go, you know, because the video's a month old and there's none left, especially at Dollar Tree. So a lot of these products I did get at Dollar Tree, and I'll be able to, I can divide some things and make little gift baskets for coworkers or friends or even my teammates and stuff like that, and family, of course. So a couple things. The first thing I'm going to start with is this Heidi Swapp memory decks tray. Now you can no longer buy the punch that goes with this, but don't worry. I am planning on something to help you guys out with that. But I know that you can still get this memory decks tray, I think on Amazon, and if I can find it, I will post a link down below for you guys, okay? Also, a friend of mine started a new group called Stampin' Up Demonstrators and Friends Memory Deck Swap, and we are planning on swapping with each other, and also just creating different ones and showing you guys how to use them. This has got like a resurgence in the community, in the paper crafting community, so I wanted to be able to show you guys because these are going fast. So this is one reason. This is another reason why I wanted to do this video tonight, real quick. So get ready to play. This will be fun to do. I can see like having this on your desk, and maybe some make like a photo album real quick so you can look through. Also, it's almost like someone said last night, the ATCs, how they used to do that. This just gives you a little bit more height and a little bit more room, and a place to display them. So it's kind of like that. And I will be recovering this tray. I don't have gold in my room. I have red, black, and white because of Ladybug. So I will be recovering that. Okay, so a couple things from the Dollar Tree. Of course, the old standby, some cute socks. They have some really cute socks for Christmas out. I just seen the other day. I actually got this one last year, but I found some the other day when I was in there. And then they have other socks that are really nice. They're really soft and fuzzy. And what's nicer on a cold winter's night, you know, put some warm fuzzy socks on while you watch, you know, a Christmas movie and wrapping Christmas presents or something like that. But this is a really cute. You could get these or get the other ones to give, because these ones would be for like coworkers that I could give to them early. The other thing I found is I found these bag of Hershey Kisses. They're in red, and I thought, oh wow, those are really cute. So it's just a small bag. I know you could probably get a larger bag online, but I'm not going to be making that many. So a small bag. I got a couple of these with the red in it for Christmas. So I'll be making some little boxes to put a couple of these in, because you only need a couple. Another thing they have quite a few of, that I did see some the other day in my larger Dollar Street store, was these bath bombs, and this is just really nice. This one's lavender and argan oil, I think that's how you say it, and that's 3 gifts for $1 right there. Or, you know, for if you wanted to make like a gift basket with different things for, you know, like for the bathroom when you're taking a bath, especially after, you know, all the Christmas shopping and parties, you want to go and have like a little spa day. So that's going to be going in a gift basket. I have these are also from Dollar Tree. It's a bag of Epsom salt. Now these two are flavored. One's rose and the other one's like an ocean. And then I got these little containers at the Dollar Tree, 10 for $1, and I just filled them up, and I'm going to be decorating these as well. Because the top is a circle, so we have that, and then maybe put some ribbon around it. Really cute. You can put this again in a little spa gift basket. They have these again. I seen them the other day, and this would make a great little gift to give somebody for $1. You know, you might have some coworkers that you want to give something to, you do some exchanges, but you just want to leave a little thank you on their desk. So we'll be creating a container for this. And then I love this one. This is one of my favorites. I love Utterly Smooth. So this is great, again, for $1. nice little gift you can just give one of your coworkers or secret sister at church, or if you have a group of friends that you know have Bible studies with, and you just want to give them a little something. You don't have to go out and spend a ton of money. You can give this, and just the gift itself and gift packaging is going to make them appreciate it. Of course, you can always give IKEA candles. This is one of the IKEA jumbo candles. We can, so I'll be making a gift package for this. And these are just great to like put on a little tray and light them up, you know, in the bathroom, or maybe just in your living room or in your craft room. These are some containers I found the other day. There's 4 for a pack, and I got them, and I've already put some Werther candies in these. I put 3 in there. Again, maybe put this in, you could put this in a little small packet, or again, just a little treat, even for the guys. This would be really good for your coworkers. They had these, and I think they still have them. They're little notebooks, and they do have little calendars in them, but you can take notes. I'm actually going to be putting paper, DS Designer Series paper over this, and kind of dressing it up a little bit on the front. Great to put in your purse, or just have by your computer to make notes in, different things like that, or shopping lists or stuff like that you can use for Christmas. They had these little books at the Dollar Tree. I thought these were just awesome. And these are, there's 9 fruits of the Spirit, and they have, of course, I have all 9. And I got 3 of these. And I don't know why I didn't get all of them, but I only got 3. And I have specific people in mind for these that I'll be giving to. So we'll be creating a box for this too. And if you can't find these, but you can find some other small books, because I know they have about the same size books. These would be great for secret sister, and that's something at church, or for some girls that you have Bible study with. Again, this is something you could give them too. Maybe put a little note in here, you know, like after you finish, pass it on. So that'd be something we're making. Also, they have these jar candles, and they have a ton of these. Now, I have cinnamon bun that I will be lighting this actually this month, next month, but they have a bunch of these, and they have all different flavors. They even have some for spring and summer, I think. But it'd be great to give this little gift. Here's the box that I created, and you will be seeing this coming up in the future. Probably in the next couple of days, you'll see this box. So, but they've got all, I love these little mason jars. And then after the candle burns, you can save this and put some little craft supplies in it. Buttons or sequins or something, or even some scrap ribbon. So that's another great little gift. And again, this was $1. So if you give your coworker this, they'll be like, oh wow, that's really nice. Did you spend a lot of money? No, they don't have to know. You know, they don't have to know. There's also, we'll be working with there's all kind of different things I've got. I've got like a little stockpile up here I've been collecting that you can still find at the Dollar Tree. I went the last couple of days, and all the items I'll be creating with, you will be able to find. Pens, pencils, trying to look down at my little pile down here. Candles, yeah. So, all right, guys. So this is my Vlogtober day 4. I know I haven't been mentioning it in some of my videos already, and only because I've had these videos pre-recorded before this week. So, yeah. So look for these coming up in the near future, and don't forget to go get one of these. I'll try to find the link and post it down below. All right. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later. Toodles.